Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Sumser Singh, working in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. In earlier lecture, we discussed about merchant banking, financial services. Financial services is concerned with the design and delivery of advice and financial product to individual and businesses. Finance may be defined as the art and service of managing money. The two major areas of finance are financial management, managerial finance, corporate finance, financial services. Financial management is concerned with the duties of the financial managers in the business firm who perform the such varied risks as budgeting, financial forecasting, cash management, credit administration, investment analysis, fund management, and so on. Financial services is concerned with the design and delivery of advice and financial product to individual and business within the area of banking and related financial product to individuals and business within the area of banking and related institutions, personal financial planning, investment, real assets, insurance, and so on. A wide variety of fund, asset based and non fund based. Advisory services are previously mainly by the non banking finance companies, depending on the nature and type of services provided. So, financial services is concerned with the design and delivery of advice and financial product to individuals and businesses. Merchant banking, there are different merchant banking services: issue management, pre-issue management, post-issue management, underwriting, managing international equity, private placement of securities, satellite dealership of securities, corporate advisory services relating to mergers, acquisition, takeover, disinvestment, etc., stock broking, project appraisal, credit syndication, asset securitization, book building, portfolio management services, etc. Categorization of merchant bankers. Category first of the issue management, to act as lead manager and carry on any activity including preparation of prospectus and determining financial structure, tie-up of finances and final allotment and refund of the subscription and the act to advisor consultant. Category 2, to act as advisor, consultant, manager, to act as underwriter, advisor, and to act only as advisor or consultant. This is the capital adequacy in merchant banking. Eligibility criteria: certification by SEBI to undertake such type of merchant banking activity. A body corporate should have adequate infrastructure, employ a minimum of 2 experienced persons, a person directly or indirectly concerned with the applicants, conform to capital adequacy, applicant, his partner, director or principal, applicant, his partner, director or principal officer should not be convicted for any offence involving moral turpitude or found guilty. Professionally qualified, the grant of certificate should be in the interest of the investor. Pre-issue management, planning the public issue, appraisal of project, appointment of lead manager, appointment of co-managers, appointment of registrars, bankers and brokers. Issue prospectus, book building, arranging road show and investors conference, monitoring and non-coordinating the issue activities. post-issue management, allotment of shares, filling of due diligence certificate, listing of shares, code of conduct in merchant banking, protection of interest of investors, high standard of integrity, dignity and fairness in business dealing, prompt, ethical and professional in fulfilling obligations, exercise due diligence, ensure proper care and exercise independent professional judgment, ensure prompt dealing of investors inquiry, timely disposal of investors' grievances in an appropriate manner, advising the investor about the future course of action if a complaint is not remedied promptly, and so on. There are different books of accounts and records must be maintained. A copy of balance sheet, a copy of profit and loss account, a copy of the auditor's report, a statement of financial position. Intimate SEBI the place where these books of accounts, documents and records are maintained. Role of lead merchant banker. A public issue should be managed by at least one merchant banker as lead manager. A merchant banker is necessary in the case of rights issue of shares. The number of merchant banker in a public issue is limited. This is the example. These are the responsibility of lead merchant banker. Thank you very much.